Have you ever wondered where you can get a professional electrical contractor to carry out electrical installation works at your premises? Then do not worry, more cost Expertech electrical contractors have got you covered. We are a professional and fully registered electrical contractor in Kenya, and we carry out several electrical and solar installation works. Some of our services include home and domestic installations, commercial and industrial installations, overhead electrical installations, solar installations, solar water heaters installations, security systems installations, electrical testing and auditing, energy management and consultancy, voice and data cabling, electrical rewiring, emergency generator installation, repair and maintenance on all our services. Do not worry, because we cover almost all areas such as domestic and private premises, commercial and public premises, industrial premises. We offer free wiring completion certificate to our customers and ensure that their premises is accident-free. To locate us, visit our main office located at Bondo Town. You can as well visit our website at www.expertech.co.ke or contact us at 011-520-4001 or email us at info@expertech.co.ke. Expertech Electrical, the customer's choice.